Okay, so in this video I show you how to reset SMC on your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So first I have to know what is SMC. The SMC is the System Management Controller. It's responsible for a number of processes. How do I know I need to reset them? Now I tell you some of the reason that's why you have to reset SMC. If you feel your computer's fan is running too loud, even with low memory uses, the battery drains at an abnormally fast rate, your computer's performance is sluggish, your laptop's trackpad won't function correctly, you are unable to connect to any wireless network, or your computer shut down at very slow rate. So if you face this type of problem, so you have to reset SMC. So now I tell you how to reset SMC on your MacBook or MacBook Air. Okay, first you have to turn off your MacBook. So I turn off, shut down, then okay. Wait a moment to shut down my Mac. Okay, so it's shut down. Now you have to press the shift key and the control and the option key. Shift, control and option, 3 button. Okay, so I press and then press the power button 10 seconds. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then release all and again press the power button. Now wait for open. Okay, so it's already resetted. I think your problem will be solved after reset this SMC. It takes some time to open because it's a lot of function will be resetted after that. Okay, done. Okay, so if you have a T2 chip MacBook, so you reset the SMC like this. My device is not T2 chip, but I tell you how you do that. Okay, so first you have to shut down again. I say again, it's not T2 chip, but you just follow this method. Okay, for T2 user. Alright, so for T2 user, for reset SMC, you have to press and hold 10 seconds on the power button. Okay, so I press, it's not work, but the T2 user do the work like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then release and then again press the power button 3 seconds, 1 2 3. Okay, and then release. Then if your MacBook is T2 chip, so it will be resetted SMC like this method. So I think it will be work. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed, so please like this video, and if you are new on my channel, so hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.